Sorry guys, I heard a text rail as well. But our main focus is here to get the TRE. Yeah. This should be the same set with 1002 and 130. I think. Yeah, this should be it. This should be it, YouTube. Step back a little. Here she is, YouTube. That was it, Brian. There goes 1002. That was it, Brian. There she goes, YouTube. Red train, YouTube. There goes towards EBJ. All right, here's the text. Okay. YouTube. Here's the TRE coming, and they're using an old Northstar set for this time. It's a 4-car set this time, which is kind of unusual here. Yeah. So yeah, they're gonna get. Oh, very funny stream pod right here. Very funny. Yeah. Very funny. Alright, so this is the train. Yeah, it's pretty sure. Yeah. 606. Yeah, I'm a rail fan on YouTube. Yeah. Viewers. set. Wow. Great train. There it goes towards EBJ station, YouTube.